Hey guys, what's up? This is High Tech Brothers, and today we're gonna be solving more Abacus. Let's get started. Guys, as you can see, I've got my sums and I've got my Abacus. Let's get started. Okay. So first, as always, recall what you did in the last episode. So in the last episode, you may remember, if you didn't see the last episode, it is the first link in the description. Click it, check it out, and enjoy after this episode. Good. So, first, let's recall what we did yesterday. So, yesterday, we actually practiced how to put sums on an abacus and how to put numbers on an abacus. And in this episode, we are going to practice the same, but how to do bigger numbers. Let's get started. So, first thing you need to do, recall what you did yesterday. Yesterday we did putting the numbers on the abacus. So,
small numbers.
Yes. 1 plus 1 equals 3 plus 1 equals 4. Easy. Next. After this plus 1, it equals 5. After that plus 1, 6. And then 7, and then 8, and then 9, and then there's no 10. In one beat, the max numbers you can get is 9. So after getting 9 numbers, you should move on to the next one. After moving to the next one, you need to just put all these back and put this one upside. That's called 10. We're going to talk about that in a little later. Okay, now let's practice other things we did. We learned also subtraction. So, let's do it. Minus 1 equals 8. Minus 1 equals 7. Minus 1 equals 6. 6 minus 1 equals 5. And then 5 minus 1. How will we do it? There's no numbers upside. You need to. But to do that, as I told you, 5 is the boss. So, 5 goes up, 4 goes up. Easy. Again, 5 minus 1 equals 5 goes up, 4 goes up. And after this, it's as easy as before. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, and then last one, minus 1. After this, when you have revised everything as to what we did in the last episode, we can move on. So, now let's practice adding bigger numbers. Like, let's take the first number. After you have paused the video, learn it next on the abacus. Let's continue with the sums. Let's do answer for 3 and 4. Let's do it again. 3 plus 4. 4's big friend is, that's right, 4's small friend is 5. So, if you add it from 5, then minus it from 5 and then the 1. So, minus the 1, add the 5. Easy. Again, 3 plus 4. 4's small friend is 1. Minus the 1, add the 5. Answer is 7. Let's write it down. 7. And now next, 5 plus 2. This is an easy one. So add the 5. 5 is the top. 5 and then add the 2. This one is easy because this is your 2. So 1, 2. What's the answer? 7. Let's do it again. 5. Here 5 and plus 2. 1, 2. Answer 7. Easy. Okay, let's see the next one. The next one is 2 plus 3. This is also an easy thing. Okay, 2 plus 3. What's 3's small friend? Answer is 2. So, 3's small friend is 2. Then you need to subtract the 2 and then add the 5. Again, 3's big friend is, 3's small friend is 2. So, minus the 2, add the 5. And now, so the answer is 5. 3. You could also do it like this if you feel it's hard. 3 and then plus 2. 2 is big friend. No, not big friend. 2's big friend is, yeah, that's right, 3. So, minus 3 and then add the 5. Easy. Okay, now the second last sum. 2 plus 6. So, let's do it. First put 2 on the abacus and then add the 6. 6 is like that. This is called 6. 5 at the top and 1 at the bottom. So 2 plus 6, 5 at the up, 1 at the bottom, equals 8. Easy. Again, 2 plus 6 equals 8. Now next, 7 plus 2. So let's put 7 and then add 2. This is also easy. Let's write the answer. 7 and then add 2. 1, 2. Again, 7 and then add 2. This both are the 2. 1, 2 equals 9. Put 9. Done. And that's it for this episode, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. More videos coming right up. Click at here or here of the video. Click here for subscribe and peace out. Bye.